Hello guys, I'm Captain Starlight and today we are going to be making a walking rainbow.
Captain Starlight is making new content every week, so don't forget to like and subscribe.
And you'll only need a couple of things to make this happen. Simply a piece of paper towel and your favorite color Textas to make a rainbow, 2 glasses of water, which we have right here, and someone to be amazed. So first, with your paper towel, all you'll need to do is fold it in half along the long edge, and then fold it in half again. And then we're going to tear this into 2, right down the middle. Done. And we'll only need 1 of these, so you can share this activity with someone else. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to color in a rainbow on each side. So you'll see there's a left side and a right side to this piece of paper. We're going to color in the same rainbow along both sides, and then we're going to do something magic with the water so that they'll combine in the middle. We're going to start with our first color. I'm going to pick red. And then we're going to add each of the colors along the rainbow. So now we have 2 rainbows on each side, and now what we're going to do is fold that down and put it in between 2 glasses of water. You ready? Here we go. Dip in the ends into the water. Get all those ends in. And then watch your rainbow grow. Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.